Hi there, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. This is Simon speaking. This video is called Taking Off from London Heathrow Airport. Enjoy this video, here we go. We're cruising now about over 100 miles per hour. Now we're going up to 200 miles per hour. Now 300 miles per hour.
There are some people
we are taking off. Here we go. Night view of Heathrow Airport, London Heathrow Airport, guys. No joke. Isn't it beautiful one up here? She's a massive airport. She's huge. She's growing and expanding. We're going to build a third runway to London Heathrow Airport in the next 2 or 3 years' time. We can get to it eventually. Eventually, in time, it will happen. This is the view of South London, guys. Isn't it beautiful? It's like a swimming pool down there, doesn't it? It's a private swimming pool. Hotel, I think, probably.
Ladies and gentlemen, for safety reasons, you are required to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated or the fasten seatbelt sign is on. Please open the baggage racks carefully, as objects could fall out. Furthermore, we kindly ask our guests traveling in economy class to use the lavatories located at the back of the aircraft cabin. Thank you. Mesdames et messieurs, pour des raisons de sécurité, vous êtes obligés de vous attacher lorsque vous êtes assis ou lorsque le signal correspondant est allumé. Veuillez ouvrir les compartiments à bagages avec précaution car des objets pourraient tomber. En outre, nous prions tous les voyageurs en classe économie d'utiliser les toilettes situées à l'arrière de la cabine.
Going south of London here towards Gatwick Airport direction. Going southeast at the moment. Southeast. Fortunately, we're in the sunlight here. We're literally, it's sun setting into the west of us. We're literally, it's in the way. That down there is the River Thames. Oh yeah, that is the River Thames. Thank you for listening. Bye everyone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Isn't it beautiful? That's the River Thames there, guys. Yep, we're just going over Walton-on-Thames at the moment. Oh yeah, Walton-on-Thames. I know exactly where we are. I know the River Thames off by heart. I've walked to London from Woking 4 times in my life. Oh yeah. So, thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. May the force be with you always. Quite a bad spot, there needs so many out there, there needs the few. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yep, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye everyone.